My name is Mark Levine. I am the aggressive progressive. They call me that because of the thousands of radio shows and hundreds of TV shows I've done where I pull out my Constitution, I remind Bill O'Reilly what's in it because he forgets from time to time. But you may not know that I've been working on federal issues for 13 years because prior to my time on television, I learned from one of the best. Congressman Barney Frank was my boss. I was his chief legislative counsel on the Hill. And along with Jim Moran, Barney Frank is one of the most aggressively progressive people in Congress. He understood what President Obama has asked us to do, to challenge him from the left. And so I think you'll find that my positions are some of the most aggressively progressive positions out there. I'll give you some examples, all right? Other candidates talk about preserving Social Security. That's good. I would expand Social Security. If billionaires pay their fair share, we can make sure that no one under Social Security lives in poverty. People talk about raising the minimum wage. I would raise the minimum wage. But we have to go further than that. Make sure that no one who works full-time does not have a living wage. If you work full-time, you should not live in poverty in America. One of my big issues, and I've been talking about it every time here, and some candidates have picked it up, and I love it, is student loans. Children are coming home today. They are the first generation to not live as well as their parents. They are drowning in debt. The government makes $58 billion a year on student loans. They shouldn't be profiting on the backs of our kids. We need to not only get rid of that, we need to subsidize student loans and do it the way that they did when my father went to college. We need to make it easy and affordable for kids to go to school. There are Democrats that say how much to do the sequester, how much to do the furlough, how much should we harm federal workers and contractors and military veterans. I say they deserve a raise, and more than a 1% raise, because federal workers work very hard. I know. I was a federal worker. I took a massive pay cut when I went from trial lawyer to federal worker, but so do most federal workers. They are patriotic people. They need our support. And I've gone on national TV and defended federal workers. So if you want an aggressive progressive, someone who will challenge the Democratic Party and Barack Obama from the left, I ask for your support on June 10th. Thank you very much.